Google News can make you $100 per day just by typing some words. Yes, this is the make money method that I want to show in this video, that you can use two sites and you need some writing. So without further wasting any more time, just jump back to the site that I have to show. Is called a text broker. Yes, this is textbroker.com. This is the site that we are going to write. So we know basic English, right? So why not use that to make money? So simple writing, you do not need to create anything, you do not need to think about anything. You simply go over to textbroker.com, and there if you just go over to that and click on I write content. So you simply click on I write content and hit payment, and you can see that they are paying you at least 1 cent per word. So this is really cool, and more work you do, more expertise you will get, more money then you can earn from them. So you can see that they also provide, at best, if you just like best articles, you can get 5.5 cents per word. So without any problem, if you just a beginner, if you just get 1 cent per word, so any 5,000 words article, but one can make you $5. So simply this is the way you work with these websites. You simply just go over to 1,000 words article, and here and there, and you can make $5 to $10 every articles you write. So why not try that? So this is the first site that I'm going to show, and that I also want to recommend you the second site, that is called scripted.com. So first site is textbroker.com and second site is scripted.com. This is also a site that you can write and get paid for them. So you click on become a writer, so it will show the writing applications page where you can click on apply now, and you can just apply it by filling a simple form, and you are good to go to be a writer. So what you do, how you do. So simple, use, go to there, and when you get an article writing jobs, and they will going to give you a topic, and most of the time these are going to be a recent topics on the world, around the world, and people always write something that is latest hit, latest news, and something like that. So simply when you get a job, you copy that subject and go to news.google.com. Yes, we are going to use Google News. So simply go to news.google.com and search for that topic. Here also you can see that in the left sections you have like various sections, segment, like world news, local news, business news, technology, entertainment, sports, science and health, and many more like that. So why not go through those options around your article topics. Also you can search it and just find the latest topics and articles that are right now published and that are really viral. You can find it that you simply just open any article like that and simply copy those articles. You cannot copy exactly, you have to rewrite it. That's what it comes. That's what I use a bot which is called a spinnerchef.com. Spinnerchef is the site that you are going to use, and you can just simply copy any article portions from that and paste it here, and hit the spin it button, and within seconds it will be rewritten for you to post on job sites like text broker or scripted.com. So simply use those Spinnerchef sites and get those articles and rewrite them and submit it to the people who ask for those articles to be written, and simply you get paid for that. So this is the guys, this is it, this is the method. You simply go over to text broker and apply as a writer. Also you can apply as a writer on scripted.com and simply write those articles by rewriting some articles that are already published on various websites. And simply this is the way you simply copy and rewrite and paste it on those websites, and you earn a decent amount of money. So if you are just a basic English writer, you can make $5 to $10 per article. So why not try that? So this is the way you can make, like, if you work regularly, you can hit $100 per day with easy. This is easy money. You just simply rewrite contents and submit those contents to those websites, and you can make money. And this is not the end. More writing you do, more expertise you get, more experience you get, so simply you will get more jobs and you will get more money. And this is the end. This is not the end. So simply you have to write regularly, and you can hit $100, even $500,000 making is possible from here. So if you're liking this method, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my videos, stay with my channels. New videos going to be uploaded daily. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, stay well. Thanks for watching.